Hello everyone, this is a daily update for Gold and GJ for Money Squared YouTube channel. Gold is in a bullish momentum, monthly and weekly also. Weekly is quite strong, finding some sort of support here, breaking the previous week's highs, but we need to close above here to have confirmation for buys. At the moment, on a daily time frame, let me just remove this from these time frames. On a daily time frame, we are at resistance at the moment. As you can see here, this rejection, so we can reject at any point, because we also had these very big rejections in this whole region here. So it's not a clean traffic to trade it for buys above, but if we continue this, we can easily fill this wick here. But we need clear break above this on a lower time frame, and then having this momentum we can may push up. But if we don't have, if in lower time frame we start to have rejection, we need to be cautious, because this is a rejection zone and we can at any point reject come to this level, even though yesterday we were bullish. But yeah, we need to be cautious. The 4-hour time frame is bullish now. In gold we were rejecting on this 4-hour. That's why I was discussing this, because you can see this rejection on a 4-hour time frame. So we need to break above this highs to have this buys, to have this momentum. We had some sort of consolidation here, so we can move buys if we close above this resistance right over here. So let's go on the lower time frame. 2 hour is good. If we close like this, or if we break above and close like this, that's our candle formation, which we're doing a test data accumulation for this candle. For example, this one, this is our candle. We can have the same here. This here our candle, and then next candle should just move up. But this is like I have 5 data for this. We can just go ahead and we will wait how this candle closes, and then we're gonna discuss this on the roundup. For example, on 1 hour also we closed bullish, but the last 30-minute candle was bearish. So this is not high probability. Probability of this setup is, till now, the data that we have is when the last 30-minute candle of our candle of 1 hour candle closes bullish. So for sells, because now we have this setup here and this setup here for trades, that's what's most important here. For sells, if we continue this rejection, because if we don't break this highs and then we close in this 30-minute candle bearish, and then we break these lows, we can potentially have some sells, because this can be the top of the range already rejecting 4 or 5 times. If we have this closure here, it means that we can have a reversal and we have clean traffic till here. That's what I was looking at. So risky, that's half risk. If we see clear rejection, break the low, clear rejection, break the low. But more safer sells we have below here, below this level here. Right over here. We close this, we have then we have this clean traffic. But why I think it should be a possible perfect trade is that if that scenario happens, breaks this low, we enter sells, and then we do some sort of consolidation, and we continue till here. This would be a massive trade with 20% of position. We can, after closing here, for example, first, other 20% let it run, gain extra overall half a trade. So that's why I'm looking for buys in gold, for sells in gold. If we close below here, let me put Then we put this alert here and this here. And yeah, but we need closures. We need more candle closures or live closures, or maybe the live streams will be much better for you to understand, because now I'm not taking the trade. I need to see it can happen. This candle just come up, creates a small wick, and then flips in the last 15 minutes of this new 1 hour candle, move up, and then that changes the whole idea, because it can close a week bullish and then just start to shoot up here. That's why we need live candle closures. Next plan is for buys. If we have buys above here with this type of candle also, which is possibly our candle again in 1 hour time frame, we can have some buys above till here maybe, because we're breaking that resistance, and then we can retest these levels at least, or even fill the wick till up there. So that's about it about gold. We're gonna go on GJ now. Monthly time frame, we're huge bearish, but just keep momentum. It's so strange because this is the monthly candle and we're already moving super hard to the downside. We have support here. We have another support somewhere over here, I would say. We need daily time frame for this support. Yeah, we have to support this right over here. Break this. Daily time frame continuing the bearish momentum. 4 hour time frame continuing the bearish momentum. There can be good sells on GJ, but the stop losses will be massive. 60 pips, it's insane. Stop loss 140 pips. Trade, it's after all these moves. But GJ know how to make these 700 move into 3-4 hour candles. So like look at here, look here, look here. It's insane. Because sells here would have made sense so much. No. Maybe something like this. Breaking the support here and then just keep going down. What we can do is we go on lower time frames and check maybe for some stop losses in lower time frame. This is perfect. Let's see 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. If we break these lows, we can just literally continue. Let's put an alert here and not make this video, but I'm looking for sells on GJ or for buys above here. Somewhere over here for sells here. And then yeah, we will either have some buys here if we get a candle closure like this. To this level we have some clean traffic, but this is counter trend. Obviously this is very risky. The trend is bullish, but we are at the major loss support, so we can anticipate that one. And then obviously if we have a candle closure here, next candle can just move it down on GJ. And yeah, that's why we have two alerts here. On gold we need to wait for this 30-minute at least candle closure and 1 hour candle closure for sells or for buys. So we have two potential trades today, but at the moment none of them is activated, and that's why I need to do live streams, because to explain something, how it's going in the trade, how's everything, it's impossible with just the updates. But I will do the updates inside the live stream, So it's also the start of the live stream, and yeah, from the next days, hopefully, we manage to start with live streams. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, support the channel, and I hope, I'm sorry for my voice, but I have a cough, so my voice is different these days.